Guys, we are doing Subway Surfers, and this month's theme is, or 2 months, depends on what they are doing, is World Tour. And I personally like not holidays ones. That's like random things that you have to collect and get all these special characters. And I just try to have some fun. And try and test my patience. Okay, so we are going to play. So let's look at the top run first. Some problems. We're gonna beat this. Oh, mate. Yeah, I'm not beating that. I already played that game, God. So, it is pretty laggy, but I think it's since I'm recording, it really depends, because usually it kind of stays with me, but this isn't cheap, like cheap Samsung tablet, so it really does depend on if it's in a really good mood. Wow, how can Subway travel through a subway? That's the real answer. Ding. Has Miss Genie Pot, if you know what I mean. If you know what. Okay. I'm starting off like I never played the game. And I'm not signing into that crap. I'll be playing Subway Surfers and all signing into Facebook and getting Dino. Ooh. No one likes you, Dino. Get used to it. But the other Balloons TD battle, it was supposed to go for 4 minutes and 54 seconds. It went for 1 minute 54. I thought it said 4:54, but I think it actually said 1:54. Blah, blah, blah. And today at school, we did like this cool Harry Potter of Ollivander's wand shop, and they picked top 5. We had the wand, all this cool stuff. We didn't even get top 5, like Where's Waldo, and all this stuff is like, how did we not win? And then we could get ice cream sundaes, and that just peed me off. So please get this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and like. Tell everyone about it, because I'm just happy I got a screen recording app. Because some is just like, get this cheap version that doesn't work, and then you have to buy a version that you have is like $4.99, doesn't work. And like, this one gives me ads randomly on my screen, even if I'm not playing a game. But there's nothing to complain. I'm just chatting with you guys, playing, and I reached 5 subscribers. It's unbelievable that I could get 5 subscribers. Like, it's insane just to think many people subscribe to me, including some of my friends, like my friend Jacob. He's a good pal since 2nd grade. And I'm in 5th, actually, guys. And I've always been sometimes getting a little bit blown up on him. And if you're watching this, Jacob, I never meant anything I said. I fly off the handle like you would never know. So we are actually going to open some. Yeah, not this. Unless my mom's gonna kill me. Okay, we're gonna open one mystery box or two, depends. Fine, we'll do two.
How would you start?
I'm not watching English. No, Jess, no.
Choose from beautiful hair and makeup styles.
Is this from you, my boys?
Real fashion.
Is this seriously you? If this is you, I'm coming after you.
Beautiful.
I don't know how to cut up crap, so.
Are you ready for more? Tap to download Covet Fashion today.
This is so embarrassing. So, let's resume. So, yes, we did double it up. Oh, what's that? Oh, so stupid. I'm torturing myself for you guys. Ooh. Do you think I'm a girl? Oh, this is kind of offensive. Tell me not. Not making violets and all this stuff. And not making flowers. Bloody flowers. Ooh, I just reached 6:30 minutes. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Now we are approaching 6:40. And actually, the time is not getting actually too late. It's only 7:08. We're gonna buy as many as we can, guys. No, we're not doubling it up. I'm not watching all this girly fashion stuff. Trixie, I'm not Trixie. I guess so. One more. Yo, I'm beatboxing like a little kid. Yo, I'm beatboxing. Fine, we'll do a quick little round. Get 500. Yay, we reached it. Woo! Now watch me whip. Now watch me kill myself for you guys. Imagine a kid on a subway just running. No, not right now. Let's go to home and buy one more for you guys before we end off the video at like 8 minutes. Probably the biggest video I have ever done. Oh, 1,000 coins. I hate you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm not activating that crap. I only use 3 in my life with hoverboards. Okay, so we're actually going to sign out of this video. So we are going to be done with this video. So peace, guys. Chaka here, signing out.